We're going to do a second example of factoring, and this time we have a leading A that's greater than 1. So again, I'm going to come over here to my chart. So I have 3 times 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to multiply to 18. And remember, my B comes down here, and that needs to add to a negative 11. So the first thing I think is, well, 9 times 2 is 18, but that doesn't add to negative 11, it adds to a positive. So that doesn't work, but I have to remember a rule that sometimes I tend to forget, and that's going to be negative 9 times negative 2. Two negatives multiplied together give me a positive, and then those will add to the negative 11. So I'm going to take those, and I'm going to do x minus 9, x minus 2 equals 0. Now, this is where we tend to get into a lot of trouble right here. When we multiplied by 3, we also have to divide it by 3 right here to undo what we did above. So when I do that, I get x minus 3 and x minus 2 over 3. Now, I'm not allowed to have a zero here, a denominator of a number, so I need to move him to the front. All right, so the reason we do that is when we set it equal to 0, we're really going to clear that fraction to make it that way. All right, so it would be kind of on a little side note right here. You don't just know why we're doing it. If we do x minus 2/3 equals 0, if we multiply this whole thing by 3, we're going to get 3x, the 3's will cross out, minus 2. Okay, so our factors are x minus 3 and then 3x minus 2 equals 0. And again, I'm looking for my factors. I'm not going to worry about my solutions. I'm just going to get to my factors. Now, you don't have to show this part. This is just the why we drag our 3 to the front. All right? Best of luck.